In a far-off fantasy kingdom, 3 little pigs grew up under the meticulous care of their mother. It was time for them to create their own lives. During their exploration, they would face many challenges. What decisions would each of the 3 little pigs make? And in the end, whose decision would protect everyone and drive away the big bad wolf? We've reimagined this tale by adding the courage, strength, and responsibility of a sister pig. Now, let's step into this magical world and embark on a wonderful journey to explore the wisdom and bravery in the 3 little pigs. Are you ready? Let's get started. In a small village far from the city, there lived 3 little pigs, Dorothy, White, and Bruce. They lived in a cozy cottage with their mom and had many happy times together. But as time passed, they longed to start their own adventures. One day, as the sun rose in the east and filled the sky with golden light, the 3 little pigs decided it was time to leave home and start their own lives. Dorothy, the eldest pig, took on the role of leader. She loved to read and learn, always curious about the world around her. She told her brothers that they needed to build their own houses to protect themselves from the big bad wolf. White, the middle pig, was a natural adventurer. He was passionate about the world outside and always dreamed of exploring unknown places. He couldn't wait to start his building project, with a brave heart and a spirit of constant trying. The youngest, Bruce, was an artistically talented pig. He loved expressing his feelings and thoughts with paint and brushes. For him, building a house was not just a practical task, but also a form of creative expression.
Brothers, we need a home of our own, a place where we can live freely.
Yes, we can build our own houses. It will be an exciting adventure.
Imagine we can create everything with our own hands. My house will be a work of art.
Their mother, hearing their plan, decided to offer some advice.
Children, I'm proud of you, but you must be careful. Remember, there's a big bad wolf in the forest. You need to build strong houses to protect yourselves.
Don't worry, Mom, we'll be careful. We will build the strongest houses, nothing can harm us.
Yes, we will protect each other and prevent any bad things from happening.
And we will make our homes both safe and beautiful.
Before leaving home, the 3 little pigs hugged each other and said goodbye to their mom. Their hearts were filled with excitement and a bit of apprehension, but they believed in each other's company and wisdom to overcome any challenge. They set off on the road to their new homes, each step filled with hope and anticipation. The sun hung high in the sky, birds sang on the treetops, everything looked so beautiful. The new adventure of the 3 little pigs had just begun. As the journey of the 3 little pigs began, they came to an open space where they decided to build their new homes. Dorothy, the smartest and most visionary, decided to build a brick house. Dorothy knew that building a brick house would take time and effort, but she firmly believed it was the safest choice. She started looking for suitable materials, finding sturdy bricks and the right mortar for the walls. She also researched how to lay a foundation to ensure the house was strong and durable. During the construction, Dorothy was very careful and patient. She meticulously placed each brick, ensuring every layer was even and secure. Under the sun, her figure was busy and steadfast, as unbreakable as her brick house. Dorothy considered not only the structure, but also comfort and practicality. She designed a spacious living room, a warm fireplace, and even a small study where she could read her favorite books on quiet nights. After a few days, the brick house was finally built. It stood under the blue sky, its red bricks shimmering in the sunlight, as if telling the world it was an impregnable fortress. Dorothy looked at her accomplishment, feeling a sense of satisfaction and pride. That night, Dorothy lit the fireplace in her new home, sat in a comfortable chair, and opened a book. The house was filled with warmth and quiet, giving her an immense sense of security and happiness. Dorothy knew that no matter how dangerous the outside world was, her brick house would be a safe haven. She hoped her brothers would also choose wisely and build houses that could protect them from the big bad wolf. After Dorothy completed her brick house, White started on his building project. As an adventurous pig, White decided to build his house out of wood. He believed that building with wood would be faster and also harmonize with nature. White began looking for suitable timber in the nearby forest. He chose the strongest, straightest trees and carefully chopped them down with his axe. Each swing of his axe showed his determination and strength. Though the process was hard, White enjoyed the feeling of being close to nature. With the wood prepared, White started constructing his wooden house. He designed a simple but practical structure with a spacious living area and a small kitchen. He built the frame of the house with tree trunks and made the walls and roof with wooden planks. During the construction, White showed his creativity and problem-solving skills. When a plank was not long enough, he cleverly joined them together. When a corner needed extra support, he made braces to strengthen the structure. As time passed, the wooden house gradually took shape. It looked both simple and cozy, harmoniously blending with the surrounding natural environment. White planted some flowers and plants around the house, adding a touch of life. On the day the wooden house was completed, White stood at the door, proudly admiring his work. His home was not only a result of his effort, but also a symbol of living in harmony with nature. That night, White lit a stove in his new home, igniting a warm glow. He lay on a soft bed, listening to the wind outside, feeling an unprecedented sense of peace and satisfaction. White believed his wooden house was strong enough to protect him from any threat, but he was unaware that the challenges ahead were far beyond his expectations. After Dorothy and White, it was now the turn of the youngest pig, Bruce, to build his house. Bruce, a pig full of artistic inspiration, focused more on aesthetics than practicality. He decided to build his house out of straw, as he saw it as the quickest and easiest method, leaving more time for his artistic pursuits. Bruce began collecting straw, gathering a large amount of dry straw from nearby fields. His idea was straightforward: tie the straw together and stack it to form walls and a roof. This process was quick and fun for Bruce. His house was quickly erected. The straw house looked unusual, possessing a special natural beauty. Bruce decorated the inside with handicrafts and his own paintings, which displayed his unique perspective on life and artistic aspirations. However, Bruce neglected safety in building his house. His straw house, though beautiful, was not sturdy. When his brother White saw the house, he expressed concern to Bruce, reminding him that such a house might not withstand the big bad wolf. But Bruce optimistically believed everything would be fine, focusing more on his art. Bruce's life in the straw house was happy. He painted and created in his little house, enjoying the joy that art brought. But as time passed, the weather began to turn cold, and dangers in the forest were slowly approaching. At this time, the big bad wolf in the forest began to notice the pigs and decided to visit them. Bruce's straw house was his first target. On that stormy night, the big bad wolf arrived at Bruce's straw house. He smelled the pig inside and showed a cunning smile. Bruce was unsuspecting inside the house, unaware that danger had come to his doorstep. The big bad wolf quietly approached Bruce's straw house, his eyes glittering cunningly.
Look at this, a fragile little pig and his straw house. This will be an easy dinner.
He blew hard, and the straw house immediately collapsed. Bruce was scared and panicked.
Oh no, my house. I must quickly find White and Dorothy.
Bruce ran to White's wooden house and knocked on the door urgently.
Bruce, what happened?
The big bad wolf is here. He blew down my house.
The big bad wolf then came to White's wooden house and started to blow hard.
You can't escape, little pigs. This wooden house won't stop me.
As part of the wooden house collapsed, the two pigs ran in terror to Dorothy's brick house.
Quick, come in. My brick house is strong enough to protect us.
The big bad wolf tried hard to blow down the brick house, but it didn't budge.
This can't be. I can't blow it down.
The three pigs hugged each other tightly inside the brick house.
Will we be safe, Dorothy?
Don't worry. As long as we stick together, nothing can harm us.
After the big bad wolf tiredly gave up trying to blow down the brick house, he thought of another plan.
If I can't blow down the house, I'll go in through the chimney.
Inside the brick house, the three pigs were discussing their strategy.
Listen, the big bad wolf might try to come down the chimney. We need to be prepared.
Right. We can boil a pot of water in the fireplace if he really comes down.
Then he will have a warm welcome.
So, the three pigs placed a large pot under the fireplace, filled with water. They lit a fire, and the water began to boil. Just then, the big bad wolf started to climb down the chimney. He was unaware of the danger below.
These foolish pigs, they can't escape this time.
As he got close to the fireplace, he suddenly felt the heat. In an instant, hot water splashed out, directly onto the big bad wolf.
Hot, 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 it's too hot.
The scalded big bad wolf jumped out of the chimney in pain and hurried away from Dorothy's brick house. The three pigs heard his screams, looked at each other, and sighed with relief.
It looks like our plan worked.
The big bad wolf was scared away by us.
This time we used not only wisdom but also creativity. We really did it.
The wind outside gradually calmed, but their hearts were still fluttering. Dorothy comforted her two brothers, telling them not to be afraid, as they were now safe. Her gentleness and firmness provided great comfort to White and Bruce. In this sturdy brick house, they felt an unprecedented sense of security. White and Bruce were grateful for Dorothy's foresight and wisdom. They realized that without Dorothy's strong brick house, they might not have escaped the big bad wolf. This experience taught them the importance of caution and preparation. That night, the three pigs sat around the fireplace, sharing their stories and dreams. They talked about the future, planning how to build a safer and better home together. Dorothy suggested that they should work together, using each other's strengths, to create an environment that is both safe and comfortable. As the night deepened, the three pigs slept soundly in the brick house. They knew that no matter how dangerous and uncertain the outside world was, as long as they stayed united, there was nothing they couldn't overcome. After last night's experience, they understood more about the power of unity and the importance of wisdom. Dorothy, White, and Bruce decided to work together to build a more robust and beautiful home. They planned to use their individual strengths and talents to improve and expand Dorothy's brick house, making it a true home for all of them. Dorothy was in charge of design and structural planning, her wisdom and foresight ensuring the house's safety and practicality. White used his adventurous spirit and strength to gather materials and construct the extensions of the house. Bruce took care of the decoration and beautification, his artistic talent adding warmth and color to the home. In the following weeks, the three pigs worked busily, and their home gradually became more robust and comfortable. The new home not only had enough space for all of them, but also featured a beautiful garden and a spacious kitchen. During this process, the three pigs learned how to communicate and cooperate better with each other. Their relationship grew closer, and they learned to respect and appreciate each other's unique talents. When they finally completed this big project, they stood in front of their new home, filled with pride and joy. They knew that this was not just a house, but a symbol of their joint efforts, a home of their unity and love. From then on, the three little pigs lived a happy and joyful life in their new home. They shared many wonderful moments, whether enjoying the cool evening breeze in the hot summer or sharing stories by the fireplace on cold winter nights. The story ends with the happy life of the three little pigs. Their story tells us that unity, wisdom, and perseverance can help us overcome any difficulty in life and build a home full of love and laughter. Hope this story can bring you inspiration and fun. The story ends here. If you like it, please subscribe and like. Give us more encouragement for our dedicated creation. See you next time.